In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and proofread in Microsoft Word using track changes. This powerful feature is extremely helpful when reviewing documents, collaborating with others, or making revisions while keeping a clear record of what has been modified. Instead of permanently changing the original text, track changes allows you to see every edit, deletion, or formatting adjustment that occurs in the document. To begin, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to review. Once the file is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and select the Review tab. This tab contains several tools designed specifically for editing, reviewing, and commenting on documents. Within the Review tab, locate the Track Changes button. Click this button to activate the feature. Once it is turned on, Microsoft Word will start recording every change you make in the document. Any text you add will appear marked as an insertion, while text you remove will appear as a deletion. These changes are usually highlighted with different colors or formatting, so they are easy to recognize. Now you can begin proofreading your document. Carefully read through the content and make any corrections that are needed. If you notice spelling mistakes, grammatical issues, or wording that could be improved, simply edit the text as you normally would. Because Track Changes is active, Word will automatically mark those edits so they can be reviewed later. As you move through the document, you may also want to leave comments for yourself or for other reviewers. To do this, highlight a section of text and then click the New Comment button in the Review tab. A comment box will appear in the margin where you can type your note. This is useful for suggesting improvements or asking questions about certain parts of the document. After reviewing and editing the entire document, you can begin evaluating the recorded changes. In the Review tab, you will find options to accept or reject each change. Accepting a change will permanently apply the edit to the document, while rejecting it will restore the original text. You can move through the edits one at a time using the Next and Previous buttons. This allows you to carefully review every revision before deciding whether to keep it or discard it. Once all the edits have been reviewed and finalized, you can turn off track changes by clicking the same button in the Review tab. This stops Word from marking any additional modifications. And that's how you can edit and proofread documents using track changes in Microsoft Word. This feature makes it much easier to manage revisions, collaborate with others, and maintain a clear record of edits. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.